Hello guys, today I will show you Evo B5 hard reset. First, you must turn off your phone. There we go. Then, after the phone is fully turned off, uh, you press volume up, then power button. When you feel it vibration, release power button while holding volume up. There we go. Here is the Vivo recovery mode. Then you will select wipe data, press power button to select, then you select wipe data, then also next is power button. So in this case, uh, I will not perform hard reset, factory data reset, because of I have so many files here in my phone. So this is all I can share to you guys. Thank you.